Here we go, we're using brazing rod, just a torch.
Back in the skies, Flight 407 is getting closer to its destination. Approximately 200 miles from Hong Kong Airport, it makes its first contact with air traffic control. Here, the central controller is the first person the pilot speaks to. He directs the plane toward the airport, merging the
See that hole?
Yeah.
single file line as they approach.
My responsibility is to bring the aircraft from each entry point adjacent airspace to integrate into the screen and to anchor to the approach suite in the proper sequence airspace.
The controller instructs the pilot on speed, altitude, and weather. If the airport is too busy,
As long as you get it bonded to this metal and that metal, you're good to go, but that's a weak spot right there. It's a hole.
the central controller's job is complete. Around 40 miles from the airport, he hands over the approach control.
Just make sure this is bonded good. Yep. Good. This is hot.
You can see all the prep work afterwards of what's needed done after you do the brazing, getting it down to look like this. After a good braze, fill in braze, I'm sure you can just gob it on there, but want to do a good job, so that look like this, and so you're down here. With a good flame and brazing tip, you know, and some practice, there you go.